Japanese for Beginners, Part 5. How to introduce yourself. When meeting someone for the first time, you can greet them with the phrase, hajimemashite. Hajimemashite. We usually translate hajimemashite as nice to meet you, but just remember that hajimemashite is a greeting, so you'd only use it at the beginning of a conversation, never at the end. The order for Japanese names goes last name, then first name. So for example, Tanaka Kenji, where Tanaka is the last name and Kenji is the first name. For foreign names, you could just use whatever order you use in your home country. So for example, the name Mike Smith could be Mike Smith. Introducing yourself in Japanese is super easy. Simply say your name, then add des. So if your name is Tanaka, you could say Tanaka desu. Or if your name is Mike, you could say Mike desu. You can end your self-introduction with the phrase yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu is a little bit difficult to translate, but it can mean something like pleased to meet you or I look forward to working with you. Try introducing yourself in Japanese. Write your answer in the comments.